Greetings once again, VAC fans, and if you haven't figured out by now, the previous, most recent two videos have been of this Bissell and this UWANT. So these are both hot water / steam cleaners that we're going to go and compare these things head to head. If you want to go and look at the videos where you see exactly how to use all the features and you want to see all the specs live, then I encourage you to go and take a look at these particular videos. By the way, links in the description for these particular items, and I think the UWANT is currently on sale. So if we take a look at power usage, the Bissell comes in at 1,310 watts, while the UWANT comes in at 1,580. That's a 270 watt difference, and it manifests itself by creating hotter water, much hotter water. Matter of fact, 22 Fahrenheit hotter water. So the hottest water I can get out of this is 114 Fahrenheit, while coming out of the UWANT is 136. So this is water that's like medium hot. This water is hot enough where you can't hold your hand on it. That's great for being able to get out stubborn stains or to be able to get out stains more quickly. So the hotter the water, the easier you can, separate things from your flooring, carpet, whatever you're trying to clean. Let's see, what else do we have here? Hose suction. The Bissell wins with a small increase, 64 inches of suction. That is right here at the hose, while the UWANT has 60 inches of suction. That doesn't really make a whole lot of difference unless you're trying to pick up, huge bulk amounts of water. And that's probably kind of unusual, especially for how most people are going to use these items. So that might not matter a whole lot. So disbursement. Okay, this is where things get, I think, pretty interesting. If you look at the Bissell, this is traditional, okay? So you have a water outlet right here underneath the nozzle. I think most people are used to that. That's pretty common. But the issue is when you're squirting everything, you're trying to figure out kind of where you're trying to aim things, because let's face it, the water's coming out here. I can't see exactly where it's going. You got to kind of, you squirt, you turn it to the side, or you just see where the water lands. It's difficult to aim, all right? And that can make a difference, especially in tight areas or critical areas. For the UWANT, when you're doing your big water, disbursement and extraction, the nozzle's right here in the front. So see the difference? Down here versus up here. And I know it's a little unusual, but in my somewhat limited time of using the UWANT, I've really come to like being able to aim the water and see where it's going. So you're right here, it comes down there, and you can completely see exactly where you're aiming it, and I think that's really handy. Something else I want to compare is take a look at the nozzle sizes. Okay? See there's a difference? Or maybe I should do this, line them up this way. So see there's a difference in size. Okay, so what happens is this is probably good for cleaning up large amounts, large areas. This is really cool for getting into tight areas. And let's say you're doing, how about something like, say, stairs? Wonderful, because you could shoot the water right into a corner and then get right into a tight corner, whereas this is going to take up more space. It's a little bit bulkier. So I found that to actually be an advantage as well. So next comparison will be the solutions. So you use whatever, solution to water concentration that you actually prefer, but going, by as best as I can figure it out for the Bissell, they seem to have you want to use more, a lot more. So for every 1 ounce of this, and this is a big bottle right here. What is this? 17 ounces. For every 1 ounce of this, UWANT recommends to mix it with 32 ounces of water. With this, it seems like they want you to put in quite a bit more. This is an 8-ounce bottle, and it's not going to last nearly as long. Also, it's a smaller bottle. You can buy larger bottles if that's what you want, but I think you're going to get a lot more mileage out of the UWANT concentration versus the Bissell concentration. Okay, let's take a look at triggering. So The Bissell, you have something that you have to squeeze and you have to hold it the whole time, right? If it's for just a few seconds, it's no big deal. But if you're holding it for a minute or two because you're cleaning a larger area, that can, hurt your finger at some point in time, and it requires more effort. Well, guess what? For the UWANT, you have these little buttons down here, one for water, one for steam, and once you press it correctly, it just starts doing its thing, and you don't have to continually hold the button. So I personally find that to be an advantage. Steam-only tools. So UWANT has tools, right, that are meant for steam only, not water and steam combined like the Bissell, but steam only. So take a look at these two tools right here. These will get into very small areas, and of course this is a little itty bitty nozzle right here, and it gets into tiny areas and can really concentrate the steam. So you have these as options for the UWANT, and you don't have those options at all with the Bissell. While you can choose steam only mode by turning the button over here to steam only mode, this is not a dedicated steam tool, and neither is this one. So these are combination tools. They can handle steam, water, water and steam, but they're not dedicated steam, and they certainly aren't concentrated. So that's an advantage for the UWANT as well. And lastly, okay, here's kind of the big one. Price. Currently, as of December of 2025, the Bissell costs double, that's right, double of what the UWANT costs. Now obviously sale prices will affect your final price. Your results may vary. Again, links down in the description, but things can change over time. But right now, this fabulous product that has been completely redesigned, in other words, UWANT has rethought the entire steam extraction process. They've come up with a completely superior product, and they're doing it cheap, half the price. So if you haven't had a chance to try a UWANT product, I seriously, heavily recommend that you do. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.